Hello, so I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine freezing. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows icon right here. After that, search in for settings. Now once this opens, go to the left menu and click on Windows Update, which is the last one. Next, make sure you install and check for the latest updates. So select check, download or retry button right here. Once you complete this step, next open the Steam launcher. After that, go top left corner to the Steam logo selected and now select check for Steam client updates. If you have an older version, you can find the download button right here, otherwise you're good, so click close. Next, go to library, after that select collections, look for Wallpaper Engine. I will use this application as an example, so select this gear icon, after that select properties, go to installed files on the left menu. Now click on verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. It will take a little bit of time. It will start by verifying any corrupted or missing file will be recovered as soon as possible. Next, go to the Windows search bar, type in NVIDIA app. Now when this opens, go to drivers button in the left menu. After that, make sure to install the latest driver you have available right here. So click on this button, which is installed for me. You can find it, check or download. Now for the last step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click, after that click on Task Manager. Search for Windows Explorer, after that right click and then select Restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and see you on the next one.